Washington. Special counsel Jack Smith obtained at least 32 direct messages from Donald Trump's Twitter account as part of an investigation into former president's alleged efforts to prevent the peaceful transfer of power after 2020 election. According to a court file unsealed Friday, the disclosure about messages delivered by Twitter, now known as X, came in a brief filed by Smith's team under seal with the U.S. Court of Appeals for District of Columbia Circuit in April. The court made the document public Friday, along with a number of other filings and transcripts related to a dispute between the special counsel and Twitter over an order to obtain information about Trump's real Donald Trump account. Twitter was fighting decision from federal district court in Washington that held the company in contempt and imposed $350,000 penalty for failing comply with an earlier order to turn over materials responding search warrant. In addition, a court-approved search warrant issued by Smith's team in January to obtain information about Trump's account. U.S. District Judge Beryl Howell said Twitter issued an order requiring him not do so. Do not disclose the arrest warrant to anyone, including Trump. The social media company unsuccessfully tried to change the privacy order, which Twitter said violated its First Amendment rights. The company also argued that Trump might want to assert executive privilege over some of the information contained in his account. The district court disagreed, and Twitter appealed. Circuit ruled against the company in July. Twitter provides no reason conclude that former president, with its full array of communications technologies available to the head of executive branch, would use Twitter's direct message function conduct confidential communications with executive branch advisors, prosecutors wrote in their statement. Appeal summary. In fact, materials Twitter submitted to the government contained only 32 direct message items, a very small proportion of total production. Prosecutors did not include any details about the nature of the messages, including whether they were drafts, messages sent from Trump's account, messages he received, or both, in their filing arguing in favor secrecy order. Federal prosecutors noted investigation into Trump was ongoing at time and that need to preserve integrity of investigation was even more compelling given it included allegations interference with transfer of presidential power and the certification of Electoral College vote by Congress on January 6, 2021. While the feud between the special counsel and Twitter continues behind closed doors, Trump has not yet been indicted on federal charges stemming from Smith's investigation. He pleaded not guilty to 4 charges related to the 2020 presidential election brought against him in August, while federal prosecutors were pressuring Twitter to maintain the secrecy of the arrest warrant. D.C. In their briefing to the circuit, they said Tr.